Hello there, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're doing fantastic. It's Jacob Crypto Burry here. I'm your host today, Jake. We're going to be looking at Moonbeam today, what the parachain is, and what its potential growth is. Kind of what do we think of this particular project? So it's linked with Polkadot, and I think it can have a big future right now. We've got a pretty small market cap for this project, and we're up 70% on the weekly in terms of the market cap growth. So things look really good at the moment. Bitcoin is just chilling at that $46,000 level, $874 billion market cap. And this is the Moonbeam project right here. We can see the future is multi-chain. Expand to new chains powered by Moonbeam on the Ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. The easiest path to multi-chain. And yeah, I really like that website, to be honest. I love this little holographic, 3D image of the Ethereum logo. It's really nice. So this is all about multi-chain. And it's really nice. So what actually is Moonbeam? Well, Moonbeam is a parachain that promises cross-chain interoperability between the Ethereum and Polkadot blockchains. More specifically, Moonbeam is a smart contract platform that enables developers to move dApps between the networks without having to rewrite code or redeploy infrastructure. So it's another Web3, guys. So really big DeFi, great for developers. We can see here the real-world uses: smart contract migration, existing tools, Polkadot access, validators. There's a lot. There really is a lot. And I want to show you one example, for example. That was strange. So for example, PadSwap. Toad Network, which is a DeFi system, they've got their own decentralized exchange and automated market maker. The three different systems they run on is Moonriver, Moonbeam, and Binance Smart Chain. So you can literally use the Moonbeam right here and convert your Moonbeam into other crypto assets, which is pretty cool. So that's just a little example of what you can actually do. There's also staking opportunities right here. You can delegate, and it's really quite simple to do. You just connect your MetaMask wallet or something else, and literally on their website is a very sort of easy beginner's guide just to get started with staking, so you can get those passive rewards. Connect with your MetaMask, connect your your account. Then you're going to add the network on the correct mainnet, which will be the Ethereum one or even the Moonbeam one. And all you do is switch the network. It's really easy. And here we see, so there would be the balance. You can see that you're now beginning to stake, and you can also do things like delegating as well. So always do your own research with these projects. But I think this is really cool, and I do like what I'm seeing so far. So Moonbeam, the total value locked at the moment, we have $145 million right there in TVL, so that's relatively low. I mean, we had a high in January because this just launched in January of $275 million. And you can see, we were looking at PadSwap just a moment ago, Toad, and that's right here. We can see the contribution of the total value locked right here is $664,000. So we've got all these other DeFi projects that are being built on these ecosystems that's adding more value to the network. And I think that's very important. If this is going to be a successful network, think of like Harmony One or something like that, and then compare what's going on. I mean, DeFi Kingdoms is a play to earn 550 million. All it takes is one project, one big DeFi company. I mean, there's so many dApps built on Harmony One. Now, what if Moonbeam gets a similar result? It's really going to affect the price. More people are going to use it, more people are going to hold Moonbeam, and I think overall it gives quite a bullish sentiment for the future. So if we just look at a bit of data on Moonbeam, we're trading at $5.68 at the moment. We're up 20%, rank 98, already beyond rank 100. I do think for some reason this is going to become a top 80, maybe even 70, 60 to 50 coin over the next few weeks. I just think so. The fully diluted market cap is 5.7 billion right there. Big trading volume of 500 million, so that's about half of the actual total market cap valuation. And here on the daily time frame, you can see we've had big green candles over the last 3 days. Really big pump from $3.60. So we broke through the key resistance at $5.40, and it looks pretty nice. Might see some more continuation to the upside. Hopefully we're going to get that continuation to the upside. It'll be really good to see. And here we can see as well, Moonbeam thus far, January, February, well, there was a big capitulation, lots of liquidation, but the market was relatively bearish anyway, so you can't really just pinpoint one project. So really, we're getting a nice undervaluation zone, perhaps a good time to enter. Up 77% in April. Things are looking quite nice. So for Gloaming, what I'm seeing here on the technical analysis side of things, guys, is big resistance at $5.44, but we've flipped that into support now. So very, very good, as you see from these wicks just over here on 15th and 16th of February. The next resistance, of course, where we got rejected is on the 11th of February. So this $6.05 level is about kind of where we're hoping to push through, but we are getting that rejection. And you can see we are overbought on the RSI, sitting around 80. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see the exact retest of what's happened. We retested $6, we got rejected. Right now, we do have a very big bearish divergence, and I want to call this out to you, where we see these higher highs on the price, and then on the RSI we're getting the lower high. So we've got that bearish divergence as well, so just be aware that we could get rejected here and lose support at $5.40, but I don't think that's going to be the case. I think it's more likely maybe we consolidate in this range between $5.30 and $6 before maybe seeing some potential movement to the upside. What we could do is get the Fibonacci retracement, and we can probably say, well, it's a safe bet. If we did lose the support, maybe $4.48 or even $4.80 is a pragmatic level in which we could come back down to. Just gonna sip the coffee, guys. That got cold quickly. Ugh. So yeah, these are some key areas of support that we could potentially retrace back down to. We are quite overextended on the 20-day moving average here, and I think that's also important to look at. So overall, I'm very bullish on this project. I think Moonbeam has a lot of potential. We have just had a huge bump, so we must take into account that we can correct down to these lower levels, maybe $4.40, $4.80, where we had the swing lows, and maybe take your time with it. Just let the market do what it needs to do. We had a fantastic symmetrical triangle here, as you can see. I mean, this is why TA is so important. I completely missed this one, but symmetrical triangle there, it tells you exactly what the next potential move is going to be on the breakout, and we got that breakout to the upside. So right now, it just looks like we're putting through high highs and higher lows, but hopefully we can put through another higher high at around $6 mark. So really, really bullish. What are the long-term targets here for our lovely Moonbeam? Well, if we get the fib extension, take it from the swing high here, assume this is the market cycle bottom, we're actually looking at some big targets, guys. And the first one is going to be $24. We've got $21 and $19 in the long run. And to achieve that, all we really need is a $5 billion market cap. So we're not asking for too much. Am I bullish on this project? Yes, I think this is amazing. Really, really cool project. I don't know where it's available right now, but it is pretty much available to trade on Binance and all those other places. I'll leave a link down in the description. I'll also leave a link down to the Discord, so come say hello to everyone in here, about 200 people, completely free. Got DeFi degens, traders, speculators, you know, all these interesting and lovely people, so make sure you get yourself in there. Massive thanks to the patrons as well. You guys are amazing. Price for coffee if you want to support the channels. You're going to get signals, one-on-one messaging, access to giveaways, more chance to win, and other things like that. And just before I go, make sure you check out this Telegram channel with their unique algorithms which help people scalp the market, take long and short positions, and benefit in, you know, yielding more potential gains. Not financial advice, of course, but that's about a wrap, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy this kind of anti-hype style, non-sensationalism, misleading, I suppose, information, then please do subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want. You know, give me ideas so I can give back to the community. And the giveaways will be starting soon as well. I haven't been paid from YouTube yet, but once I do, I want to be giving back to all you lovely people who have been watching my videos, supporting, and especially those from day one. So you guys are really, really critical to the channel, and it's nice to know that you guys are listening and have responded and are taking in what's going on in the market, because crypto is huge, time is short. Life is short, time is long, and we just need to surf through the waves of crypto and maximize the opportunities. And the best way to do that is by having community. So yeah, get in that Discord as well, guys. See you soon.